Introducing pharmacy display units for self-care members of PSA. A 12-pocket single-tier wall system. A 24-pocket two-tiered wall system. A 36-pocket three-tiered wall system. A 72-pocket floor carousel system. A three-tiered counter stand holder and a Perspex counter box. Your builder or handyman will decide on your wall hauls and fixtures. We then attach our polycarbonate rails, which interlock as they extend. For multi-tiered wall systems that are more than one row, you need a second rail to support the system. To tier down, we require a leaning clip, which we attach to the first pocket. We then hang that on the rail. For the second and subsequent levels, we use side clips, and then we repeat the process, in this case, for up to 12 levels. To secure the tier to the wall, we mount a base clip to the last pocket and screw it into the wall. For 2 or more rows across, we tier down 7 pockets as before. We now attach the base clip to the bottom of the 7th pocket. We then slide it over the second rail to spread the load. We finish the tier by mounting the last 5 pockets, using the base clip to secure it to the wall. The third tier is mounted exactly the same way as the second tier.